A new year, a new resolution, or perhaps an old one, like the one from last year where I was determined to get more sleep. Whatever the resolution, New Year's resolutions were designed for only one thing: to fail. Well, while this seems like an inevitability, New Year's resolutions really don't have to end in failure. So today, on Brief Brain Facts, let's take a look at why our New Year's resolutions fail, brain mechanisms behind succeeding and failing, and how we can implement strategies based on the brain to achieve our goals. According to a 2007 study, 88% of participants failed to achieve their New Year's resolutions after a year. These results are consistent with what older studies found regarding the maintenance of New Year's resolutions, one of which found that only 19% of study participants kept their resolutions after 2 years. This points to some notable issues regarding these types of resolution. The high failure rate indicates that flaws exist regarding our understanding of what resolutions are and should be, a flaw that cannot be attributed to the sole flaw of the individual. While many may consider New Year's resolutions as an opportunity to press an imaginative reset button, a chance to reinvent the self, New Year's resolutions, stripped down to their cores, are goals. Goals may be as basic as assuring that you have something to eat every morning, or as complicated as creating a new workout routine every month. In order to meet our basic needs, or to do something fun, like go to the movies, we set goals every day. Importantly, we accomplish goals every day. According to researchers, accomplishing goals is crucial for long-term mental and physical health. In order to accomplish goals, understanding if goal pursuit will result in approach or avoidance behavior is key. Regarding goal pursuits, approach behaviors are intentional responses designed to produce or maintain a desired state. This involves producing new behaviors, like exercising every day for 15 minutes, or reading a book every month. Likewise, avoidance goal pursuits are intentional responses designed to prevent or control undesired states. Typically, this involves stopping or modifying current behaviors, such as smoking or decreasing the number of watched television hours. This approach-avoidance dichotomy is typically categorized based on approaching or avoiding motivating behaviors toward positive, such as exercising or reading, or negative, smoking and watch television hours, stimuli. Studies examining brain mechanisms underlying intentional approach and avoidance behaviors have implicated one large brain region, the prefrontal cortex, or PFC. The prefrontal cortex is associated with higher order processing and executive functioning, things like making judgments and planning. Thus, the PFC's associated involvement in goal achievement is unsurprising. What is surprising are notable asymmetries or hemispheric lateralization of specific aspects of motivating behaviors, meaning the left and right sides of the brain appear to have distinct roles regarding goal pursuits. More specifically, the left portion of the PFC has been associated with approach, while the right portion of the PFC has been associated with avoidance. This lateralization may emerge due to emotional factors, whereby positive emotions have been attributed to the left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, or the DLPFC. Further, the PFC has been associated with the integration of motivation and executive functioning, which is vital for controlling the needed thoughts and actions involved in the pursuits of goals. In this case, motivational temperament, the affective motivational leanings of an individual, seems to play a role in determining lateralization. A avoidant motivational temperament has been linked to the left DLPFC, while a approach motivational temperament has been linked to the right DLPFC. Interestingly, a hierarchical psychological system may underlie the process of approach and avoidance motivation. This system consists of 4 ordered parts: temperamental level, system level, strategic level, and tactical level. The temperamental level is how goals are implemented, whether one uses avoidance or approach. At the system level, goal maintenance is maintained, focusing on obtaining desired outcomes or avoiding undesired outcomes. For instance, regarding a weight loss goal, a desired outcome may be to lose 5 pounds in 1 week, while an undesired outcome may be gaining 5 pounds in 1 week. At this level, an overarching goal may have both desired and undesired outcomes, but one method of approach or avoidance may be emphasized, but they may also coexist. The way in which a goal is pursued is best explained by the strategic level. Regarding weight loss, a strategy may include daily 15-minute cardio workout routines, self-prepared meals, and 6 hours of sleep each night. Finally, the tactical level is how the strategy is made concrete. This may involve initiating my cardio exercise routine so that I may meet my overall goal of losing weight. Researchers suggest that the higher the psychological system, the more abstract the outcome, and the longer it will take to obtain the desired results. Now we're getting somewhere regarding New Year's resolutions and even why they so often fail. You see, New Year's resolutions, as a type of goal, tend to stay at the higher cognitive levels, with little to no interactions between the other levels involved in assuring a goal's success. For instance, if a New Year's resolution is to lose 20 pounds over a 12-month period, while at the strategic cognitive level, it lacks specificity on what strategies to use. This can result in failure to obtain the sought-after goal. So, regarding New Year's resolutions, taking a plan into action is key in achieving the desired goal. Achieving a desired goal involves various key components. To make a New Year's resolution a reality, first, engage the prefrontal cortex by planning. This involves focusing on one specific goal, answering questions regarding the details of the goal, and accounting for times of both success and failures. Also, break down the goal into more manageable parts. For instance, with the New Year's resolution of losing 20 pounds in 12 months, I may decide to break down my weight loss plan so that I focus on losing 2 pounds each month. Also, set aside time each week to reflect on the progress made. What worked? What failed? If something did not work, consider revising parts of the plan. Another helpful tip is to have a shared goal with a friend or relative. That way, it's not a solitary journey. Finally, if 1 month results in failure, do not allow those results to determine the whole of success. Continue working towards that goal, despite the roadblocks. Consider the resolution like an everyday goal. Just as we accomplish everyday goals, we can succeed in achieving our New Year's resolutions. Our New Year's resolution is to hit 1,000 subscribers. To achieve this goal, we need 100 new subscribers every month. Can you help us hit our goal by subscribing and sharing with family and friends online? Do you have a New Year's resolution? If so, what is it? And comment below. If you liked what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and take a look at our Patreon page for updates and perks for our members. As always, thank you for watching.